Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to do the bricks stitches crochet. And to start with, we're gonna use a milk cotton yarn, a 3.5 mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. And to begin, we need a chain multiple of 6 plus 5. So for this sample, I will gonna do 17 stitches or 17 chain foundation, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 5 stitches. And to start with, we're gonna do slip knot. One, two, three, 10, 12, 5 more, so 17 stitches or 17 chain foundation. And to start with our foundation row, we're gonna do double crochet on the 4th chain from hook. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 double crochet, should be like this. Again, make double crochet until end of the row. Almost done. Okay, we're done for foundation row. And to start row 1, chain 2 considered as first double crochet. For the first row, we're gonna do a front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook from this side like this, okay, and make double crochet. Again, front post, front post double crochet. So this is how it look like. So we're done for the 3 front post double crochet. Next is 3 back post on the next 3 double crochet. So yarn over, this is opposite of the front post. So take from here like this, okay, should be like this. One more like that, back post double crochet, another one, insert the hook at the back like this, so this is the back post. At first is the front post, and next 3 double crochet is back post, double crochet back post. Next, front post again, insert here, opposite of the previous one, like that. Again, okay, one more, like this. So at first 3 front post double crochet, and next is 3 back post double crochet, and again 3 front post double crochet. Repeat this pattern until end of the row. And for the last double crochet here, on top of it, make 1 double crochet as a turning chain. Okay, like this. Okay, one more, chain 2, then turn your work. This is considered as double crochet, the chain 2. So in this row, we're gonna do a back post. We start at the back post, yarn over, insert the hook from the back, and take the yarn like this. Again, we always doing opposite. So like this. Again, one more. Okay, next is next is front post. Okay, front post. Sorry. Okay, again, front post double crochet, one more, like this, and then again back post, okay, again front post, like this, and last front post, and make double crochet on the top turning chain. Okay, it look like this. So this is how we do the bricks crochet stitches. I will show you my finished project. I made it a pillowcase for my customized pillow. It's like this. So just repeat the process, and you can do whatever you want sizes as long as a chain multiple of 6 plus 5. So on this side, I end up with the double crochet, and the last stitch is, the last row is single crochet, like that. So it's very nice. Like this. So this is how we end up our tutorial for today. So this is what we call the bricks crochet stitches. A very nice stitches you can do for pillowcase or any baby blanket, as long as a chain multiple of 6 plus 5, and then repeat the process I been show you before until you reach your own desired length or measurement. Thank you for watching, and please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I have a new video like this. Thank you very much, and see you on my next video.